So one of the struggles and hurdles that I run into is I like to really have my hands on things and really tamper with stuff, especially when it comes to like social media posts and posting videos. And so what I find is I don't give my videos or my content enough time to breathe, enough time to find their voice and to be able to reach the audience. I get to where like I post it and I'm checking it every hour. And because I have a lot of time on my hands, the way that I do stuff, I have extra time, so I'm on my phone too much, and I'm looking at the results too much, and then sometimes you second guess whether that content is really very good or not because you don't give it enough time to develop, enough time to find the audience, enough time to get the engagement, and so then sometimes I'll decide to put out something else, but I haven't let that other thing breathe. So what I find is with social media, a lot of times I don't need to post every day. And then for YouTube, I don't even have to post videos, twice a week. So maybe once a week is enough. But sometimes I want to put out more because I think more is better. But it's not always better. Because you're taking away attention from the thing that you put out and saying, okay, now look at this one. Now look at this, what I'm doing. Now check out this other thing, what I'm doing. And it can be too much. So that's one of the things that I try to monitor and I'm trying to reel in and get better at is slowing down on the amount of stuff I put out and letting the stuff I put out, make sure it's good quality and let it have its time to find the audience and to get the engagement that it deserves. So don't be like me. Don't rush. Take your time and put out good quality and let it breathe. Let it find its audience before you decide I need to put out something new. Do that. You're going to like it.